In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your site language to English. This is a quick and useful update that makes your interface, menus, and prompts appear in English, which can make navigation and settings much clearer. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what each option means, and share a few tips so you feel confident making the change. First, head to Settings. Depending on the site or app you're using, Settings usually looks like a small gear icon, often found at the top right, in a left sidebar, or within a profile menu. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the full settings page or panel. If you land on a general overview, that's perfect. You're in the right place. Next, look for Language and Region. This section handles the language used for the interface and often formats for dates, times, and numbers. It might be listed directly as Language and Region or grouped under General, Preferences, or Account. Click Language and Region to open those options. Now find the Site Language field. You should see a drop-down menu for Site Language, which controls the language used for menus, buttons, and system messages throughout the site. Click on the drop-down. A list of languages will appear. This list may be long and you might see multiple versions of English, such as English, English, United States, or English and United Kingdom. If you see several, choose the variant that matches your preference. If there's just one English option, select that. With English selected, locate the Save button on the right side of the page or panel. It may be labeled Save, Apply, or Save Changes. Click Save on the right side to confirm your choice. Some sites apply changes instantly, but clicking Save ensures your selection is stored and the interface updates correctly. Once saved, the page may refresh automatically, and your menus, labels, and prompts should now appear in English. If you had region settings nearby, remember that region affects things like date format and currency, but your main goal, setting the site language to English, is complete after saving. That's it. You clicked on Settings, opened Language and Region, used the Site Language dropdown to choose English, and saved on the right side. This simple change can make everything easier to read and navigate. If you ever want to switch to another language later, just return to the same spot and choose a different option. Thanks for following along and